Hello everyone, welcome to Bitter Code. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Python in your Windows operating system. To check if Python is installed or not in your system, you can go to command prompt. You can search for CMD here and click enter. And here, type the command as Python version. So if you are getting any version here, that means Python is installed in your system. And if you are getting some other error like Python was not found or empty space or anything, that means Python is not installed in your system. So let's see how we can download and install it. So first, before downloading, we have to go to some browser and search for download Python for Windows. So, and in the search result, you can see the first search result is download Python. So just click on that. And here we can see the latest Python version is shown, that is Python 3.11.1. If you wanted to install some previous version, you can scroll down here and you can see the previous versions are also shown here. So I will go with the latest version and just click on this download Python 3.11.1. So it is downloading now, and once it is downloaded, we can start installing it. Now, once the download is success, you can just click on this downloaded folder, or you can go to your downloads folder and just start this file. So I'm just clicking this, and it will start the installation window. And here you can see we have two options. One is install now, and another is customize installation. You can select any one, but I will prefer second one because in second one we can modify this install location also. As you see, the install location for this thing is very long path. So I will just go with the second one. And another thing that you should remember is there is another option, add python.exe to path. So just like select this one. It will save your time to add the Python in environment variable of your system. So it will automatically add that. Now click on customize installation. Here keep everything as default as selected. Now again click on next, and here you can see there are other options also showing install Python 3.11 for all users. So it will install for all the users in your system. If you wanted that, you can check that out. And there is another thing, pre-compile a standard library, download debugging symbols, download debug binaries. So if you wanted to install these options also, just select this. And here you can see customize install location. So we can modify this location. I will just use the location as c slash python 3.11. So this is fine. I have removed the extra path location, and now we can click on install. And once it asks for some permission, just click on yes. So it has started installing the Python in your system. So just wait for it, and you can see this is started. Now the installation is success, and we can see it is showing setup by successful. And we are getting another thing, that is disable path length limit. If you want, you can disable this also, but I will just not modify anything. And we can just click on close here. Now to check where the Python is installed in your system, just go to this Windows button, and here click on all apps, and here scroll down and go to Python. So you may see Python here. Yeah. So you can see Python 3.11 is showing here, and here these all things are installed now only. So it is containing the ideally Python 3.11 and Python module docs. So all the things is installed properly. And if you wanted to run any command, so you can open the IDLE also and this command prompt also. So just I'm going through the IDLE. Click on this. It will open the idle, and here you can write your Python commands like print hello world, and just click enter, and it will show you the output. Similarly, you can do some other command like 4 plus 5 or something. It will show you the output. Now You should also check whether the Python version is showing in your command prompt or not. To check that, just go to the search bar and click on search for CMD, and here type Python hyphen hyphen version. And here, if you are getting the Python version, that means it is configured correctly. And if you are getting some white space or any other error like Python not found, that means Python is not set as your environment variable. Now, to set up the environment variable, first you should copy the location where you have installed Python. So go to your C drive, so Windows, and here go inside Python 3.11, and here just copy this location. Now go to the search window, and here search for edit the system environment variable. If you are getting this here, then fine. If you are not getting this in the search result, then you can just go to the start button here and go to the settings, and here go inside system and scroll down, go inside about, and here click on this advanced system settings. Once you click on this, it will open the same thing that will open from there. So here click on this environment variables, and you can see path here. So just click on this path and click on edit, and here you can click on new and paste the location that you copied. Once you paste the location, you can click on OK and save it. But you can see I already have this location saved, so I will not going to paste it again. Just click on OK, and again click on OK, and again OK. So once you are done with this, just close the existing command prompt and open any other command prompt, and now search the same thing like Python hyphen hyphen version. Now you can see this Python version is showing here. That means it is correctly configured. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Bitter Code. Thank you.